Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to take these 4 nuts out. There's one here, one here, one here, and this one on the corner here. I'm going to use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Pull that one out. And then this last one over here. All right, so there's these little white clips that are right here. And there's another one right here. I'm gonna use some needle nose pliers and squeeze them while I pull up on the trim piece on the outside. Try this right here. And you can pull up on this, flip it over. There's a connector right here. I'm going to disconnect it. Just push down on the tab, pull the connector out. You can pull this straight out. To replace the bulb, you pull the wire out of your way a little bit. You're going to twist on the socket counterclockwise. Pull this out. You can pull the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull. This is a 194 bulb. To install, you're just going to slide this in here, line the socket back up with the lamp housing and twist it to the right or clockwise. You can line the wire back underneath here, and we're ready to reinstall this cover. I'm going to reinstall this trunk trim piece. I'm going to slide the electrical through the hole. And we're going to push this grommet so it locks in place. We can line up the studs. Once that's lined up, just going to push down. Make sure your keyhole lines up. If your keyhole didn't line up, you could adjust that lock cylinder a little bit by loosening up these 2 nuts. Loosen up those 2 nuts, and then you could adjust it so that it fits in there properly. Now we're gonna install these nuts. One here, one here. There's 4 in total. One right there, and also one right there. Use a 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet. We'll just snug them up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.